Hello from Russia, guys, from the suburbs of Moscow. Have a look what's going on. Today is the 5th of July and how it's raining. I'm under my new umbrella. It's quite huge to cover me. It's a real hurricane is going on. I was actually about to go to the supermarket, but now I don't know whether I should go or return home. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Such a huge rain. I've decided to continue my route. I've prepared in advance. I don't think actually that rain is just a thing we need to be afraid of. How do you think? A small storm, guys, in Russia. Actually, the news is that the nearest supermarket is closed for repairs. So this is the supermarket under repairs, and I need to go to the train station to the nearest supermarket, and it will take me around 25 minutes on foot. Here are no buses actually, so I need to be on foot and nobody in the streets. Actually, today is Friday. Today's Friday and the time is around 3:30. So probably all people are at work who work, and others probably stay at home. I don't know. Because of the rain. Now it's less heavy rather than at the beginning of this video. So I hope you will enjoy this video. And you won't be afraid watching it till the end. So guys, congratulations, I'm at the supermarket successfully. Not many people here right now. So guys, look at this weather while I was at the supermarket. The weather has changed, so almost no rain. But I'm still under the umbrella. Let's check the weather outside. It is 9 o'clock in the evening and it is still raining. Not so heavy like during the day, but anyway.